Install the sensor mounting plate using screws, cable ties, or double-sided tape at the desired sensor location. Write down the transmitter serial number and rental number. This step is important for sensor traceability and installation records. Connect the sensor to mains power using the designated power supply. For differential pressure measurement, create a penetration through the structure separating the spaces being measured. Consider the size of the penetration to make sealing easier. Always ensure that there is no vulnerable technical equipment at the penetration point and that the structure can be penetrated without compromising its properties. Always request permission from the construction site before making penetrations and ask for the exact location to be indicated. Route the other end of the tube through the penetration into the comparison space. Install the silicone tube into one of the differential pressure measurement ports on the bottom of the sensor. Seal the penetration using tape or another suitable material. For more guides, explore our other tutorials at egate.io/learning.